Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Confirm the oven is powered and the display is on so controls respond. Next, locate the temperature mode control. Some ovens have a dedicated degrees C/degrees F button, others use a long press on the temp pad. Press or hold per your panel until the unit shows degrees C. Make sure the oven door is closed and the oven thermometer sits on the middle rack so you can check accuracy once you set an initial temp. Now set the exact temperature in Celsius. Use the numeric keypad or rotate the dial to your target degrees C. Press Start or Confirm to begin preheating. Many ovens blink the set temp until they reach it. Once the oven cycles, open quickly, place the oven thermometer on that same middle rack position you'll use for cooking and close the door. This verifies what the control says versus the actual internal temperature. Important, finish by confirming the thermometer matches the set degrees C once preheat completes. If it's within a few degrees, you're good. If the reading is consistently high or low, use the oven's temperature offset or calibration feature to adjust the sensor. Consult the manual for steps specific to your model. Once adjusted, reheat and recheck. If errors persist, replace the thermostat or call service. Troubleshooting tip: if fluctuations occur, test another thermometer to rule out a bad probe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.